Alright, so after breaking 2 drill bits, because they weren't that great, I mean, I can get it started. I don't want to run the risk of getting this jammed halfway in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it for now. Because I'm, like I said, erring on the side of caution. And what I'm going to do is go get tomorrow 2 of the best bits they've got. Let me just gently tap this out. Okay, so I'm not forcing things that don't want to go. And after breaking those 2, I mean, well, the first bit was a cheapo DeWalt basic. The second one was like a 1 level up. But they're still not great. The rope end's fine, because I didn't go nuts on it. So I need to get a couple of the best bits I can find that are strong enough. Because I mean, it's a barrel. That thing will eat up anything but, I guess, those carbide bits, those diamond tipped ones. I don't know. Yeah, I got a good amount, but they're still a little jaggedy. I need to get it through there several more times with a good bit. I can see it now. Let's go ahead and... How is our tension screw? Good? Looked a bit loose. There we go. Alright, buddy. We're getting there. Almost perfect. Like the BA barrel, it's a touch short. But it's so short, I mean, 12 would be like maybe like a 32nd of an inch more. I think I'm going to leave it like that. I don't want to push it too hard. It's on there, solid. Yeah, one final. And yeah, as I suspected, that 13.4 on the 13.9 barrel doesn't leave a whole lot for the imagination. I wouldn't even have been able to get the knocks on. There's no clearance. See, that 12.8, I'll put it back to here. So This will do for now. All right, let's finish up, get these connectors on, locked in, and we'll call this up or done.
This one's for America. I was a highwayman along the coast roads I did ride, with a sword and pistol by my side. Many young men lost their Bibles to my trade. Many soldiers shed his lifeblood on my blade. The bastards hung me in the spring of 25, but I'm still alive. And I'll always be around and around and around and around. I flew a starship across the universe divide.
I think we're good. Okay, so that's a wrap on the upper pretty much. I mean, it went pretty well. The only issue I ran into was I broke 2 drill bits trying to finish the drilling on that barrel for the gas pinning. It's about 75% there, but I need to get one more bit and just clean it out a bit. And then that roll pin will fit through nice and smooth. I didn't want to push it. And those bits I had are crap, so I gotta go get a couple of really good bits. And this rail is temporary anyway. That's one way or another. I'm gonna get an FCD 12.8, whether I do a deal with Nick or I buy one down the line. Gas block is on there. It's Loctited. It's solid, but I do want to finish up the final pin. So, but overall, it looks pretty good. That 13.4 with the 13.9, not much room for much. He definitely ain't suppressing this guy. But once I reach that level, it'll have a 12.8. The timing is almost perfect, like on the BA. It's just not quite there, but I think I'll be fine. Yeah, man. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So that's the end of the first video. The second one will be finishing up the lower, the trigger, the safeties, the P23, the VL-Tor system, which really should be part of the upper, but I'm going to call it quits for now. Tomorrow I'll finish it up. And then we'll get it all dialed in, and she should be good to go. And then at some point, it'll get the 12.8 FCD, or maybe a Centurion, or, maybe I don't know, maybe a quad rail. I don't freaking know. Nah, but most likely it'll be an FCD or a Centurion arms, depending on how things go. But I need that 12.8 for that clearance for when I suppress. So that's about it. That's a wrap. Thanks for stopping by and checking it out. As always, be good, be safe. Your pal, Jake America.
When I reach the other side, I'll find a place to rest my spirit if I can. Perhaps I may become a highwayman again, or I may simply be a single drop of rain. But I will remain, and I'll come back again.